Okay, so this is video number 3 for order cancellations. So what do we do in a situation where we get an order cancellation request and we find that the order's already been shipped? Okay, so again, it's got to say order cancellation request from whatever. You would go to that order. Okay, so let's go to an order and we see, oops, I forgot to take this off. Let me just fix this and get rid of it and delete comment. Okay, let's go take a look at one that's already been shipped and talk about what we would do. So if the order number brings you to something that is gray and it says ship confirmed, okay, then once an order is shipped, logically, we can't cancel the order anymore because now either FedEx or UPS or one of the couriers has it, so it's too late to cancel. So what we're going to do is we're going to do something entirely different. Again, you're going to take a copy, and remember, it's got to say this, okay? If it doesn't say that, just leave it. It's a different customer service issue altogether. You're going to copy the request, okay? So you would copy that, put it in here, okay, like we did with the other one. So just copy and paste and save that, okay? It's very important to me. And you would put order cancellation request, okay? And although it's not going to change the color, okay, this time what I would want you to do is highlight it in purple, just like that, okay? And what happens is when we take this ship confirmed out of there, it will show that there was a customer service issue. It means that customer service needs to take action here, okay? And so let's go take a look at what we would do. The only thing we can do, we can no longer request a cancellation. It's already left the warehouse, so we would get no answer. So here's a letter. Okay, so hi, again, customer name. You don't fill that in here. Just take a copy of this over. So you take the copy over to the message center in Amazon, and you say, we received your email for your order. When you see blanks like this, fill in the blank. This is for your order, and put in the number for and then put in the whole copy of the description. And let me show you where that shows up. Okay, so let's just talk about the email, and then I'll show you where you would get all this stuff. Your order has already been shipped. We confirm the shipping tracking information with, and there you would put the courier, tracking number, and you would give them the tracking number. Okay, we contacted the vendor to get the order back. However, it's already left the warehouse. Now, this is a little bit of a fib, but we're going to leave it there anyway. Okay, once the product is received, go to your Amazon and choose. Actually, I'm going to remove that altogether. I don't want to ever encourage somebody to cancel an order or to return an order. If you have any questions regarding, please let us know. The last thing I want to do is encourage somebody to refuse shipment or return an order. But I think it's important. I'll think about it. We'll just leave it at this, okay? So it just says your order has already been shipped. Okay, we confirm shipping tracking. If they wish to return, then they'll contact us and say, how do I do this? Okay, so again, you take this information. So now I'm going to go to the message center again, and I'm going to show you, okay, so if this had an order number on here, like if this had a real message, what you would see when you click on that particular message on this side here, you would find the order number and all the order specifics. And I can't reproduce it for you because I can't fake it. Okay, but you would find the order number and what the order is for, the ship date. I believe you also would find the tracking number that was put in, but what I want to show you is, let's assume this is the order that the person wanted canceled. What you would do is, where for the part of the letter that says, okay, so you take the order number from the side panel, the item from the side panel. For this information, if it doesn't clearly show you where to find the courier and the tracking number, then just come back to here, and you see under this section that you guys normally leave blank when you process an order. Once an item is shipped, this is where you get the information. So just copy this. It was shipped. This is the date that it shipped, the tracking number, and the courier. So in this letter, it says, your order has already been shipped. We confirmed tracking information with, and this would be UPS, tracking number, whatever. Okay. And you would just send that. And again, when you send it, copy, post it in the notes. Okay, and make sure that it gets sort of noted somewhere, either in my notes or with another customer service representative at that time. So here's what we've got. So you get the email, you see that it's already been shipped. Now, is it possible that when you go check, let's just do this, okay? So some of them, let's say you check this order, and this is why I want you to post these. I'm going to show you how to put those in. Is if I go to this order, and now I'm in the wrong email. So what you have to make sure of is you know who the supplier is. Okay, so let's go to the supplier. Okay, and let's assume it says you at this point. This is why you always have to check the order. Let's assume you say, well, the order, I'm going to go try to cancel the order, but you get here, okay, and this is a separate. This one has already shipped. The one I was looking at. Let's see. Okay, so you get to the right Walmart. Okay, you see this information, walmart.com/account/ and if you do order and / order number, I'm just going to pause for a second. Okay, so you've come to see if you can do a order cancellation request. See this button, request cancellation? In Walmart, that's what you would do, and then you confirm that you've requested a cancellation. Now, it's going to take a little practice. Every supplier is different. But if you arrived at your item to cancel it and it says just shipped, okay, even if it's not saying it here, like let's assume that's not there, you would not be able to cancel it anymore. It has shipped. It's too late. Okay, so this is when you would use this letter, or if it's in gray. So how would you tell them which tracking number it is? So you would have to go find the tracking number. In Walmart, all you do is you click track items. Every one of them is going to have a little difference in where you find it, but we'll work through that. Okay, and here's the order number. So we know that it's FedEx. So all you would do is take that information, put it in the letter, and don't worry about filling this information in. We'll take care of that. Okay, or just put a note that this is already shipped, not marked. Okay, so that's what you would do, how you go get this information. So if you get there to request a cancellation and you see it's already shipped, then you switch tracks and you go to this letter. And if you get to the sales sheet and it's in gray, it's that letter. And all you do in this situation is you just send the letter, you allow customer service, and you put the information, order cancellation request. Let us know the information. And what we're going to do is we're going to probably just give you access to our customer service GLIP if you don't already have it. That way we know everything's going to sit together in customer service. Okay, so that's what you would do. Just send the letter, and that's it. That's your whole task in that one. Okay, there are a few other examples, but we'll cover those at a later time. So far you have 3 videos: what to do if the order has not been placed, what to do if the order has been placed but not shipped, and what to do if it has been shipped. Okay, and that's all we need to cover, I think. Okay, we'll talk to you soon. If you have any questions, I'm here to help.